Last time, we unlocked the first lesson, the art of detachment. You stopped chasing, you stopped proving, and you started feeling the shift, didn't you? But that was just the beginning, because the most powerful woman isn't just the one who walks away, she's the one they feel when she enters the room, without a word, without a glance, without lifting a single finger. Welcome back to Purrl Noir. Tonight, we step into the next phase of your transformation, the power of presence. Without asking for it, a black cat walks into the room and every eye follows. Not because she demands attention, but because she commands it. There is a difference. Your power is in your energy, your posture, your aura. When you walk into a space, hold your head high, move with purpose, grace, and slowness. Let them feel your presence before you even speak. Because mystery isn't about being distant. It's about being selective. Selective with your words. Selective with your attention. Selective with who gets access to you. And darling, the most intoxicating presence is the one that makes them wonder, who is she? 3. Effortless Allure. Less is more. They told you to try harder, to be more accommodating, to make yourself smaller so they'd stay. But the truth is, less is more. Black cat energy is about strategic absence, leaving them wanting more. Speaking when it matters, not just to fill the silence. Moving like you have nothing to prove, because you don't. They will notice when you're gone, and when they do, they'll come looking. You've taken your first step into the realm of black cat energy. No more fading into the background. No more chasing. Only commanding. Only magnetizing. Your presence is your power. Your silence speaks louder than words. And the moment you embrace this, the world begins to shift in your favor. Walk with purpose, speak with intention, and watch as they lean in, captivated, wondering, who is she? Welcome to Purrl Noir, darling. Your transformation is already underway.
Step into the shadows, let the night pull you in.